first question was about what are teams. So right now we are in the teams panel only, and you can see that I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams, right? Okay, so
Right.
these are teams basically, and what is the concept of team is uh, that team basically means that a group of people are there together, which basically make the team, and since it's in a professional environment, so all those 3 4 people or the group of people will be together as part of a team for getting some tasks or getting some agenda completed, some work completed. Because of that thing, they are together, right?
Right.
Okay, so since that agenda will have some name, so that is what the team's name is usually is. Since every team might be having certain different subtasks or certain discussions going on. For example, over here we have got the team Photon Knowledge Innovation. So knowledge innovation basically means that some kind of knowledge is being used, or some kind of innovation is happening in this group. So that can be, the ideas can be general ideas. So for that there is this channel called general channel. Then there is maybe after some innovation, some research, they come up with an idea on which they want to write a white paper. So they have got this channel which is regarding the white paper only, where they are actually having the discussion. So now the team admin realizes that okay, these kind of conversations are not good for professional work, and they are bringing more inefficiency in the team, so they can simply delete also these conversations. So the message gets deleted. And if you find that some kind of conversation is really important and you would like to keep a tab of it, so you can save the conversation like this. So that appears separately with a pink tab, or you can just unclick it and it is unsaved. So that is another aspect of the conversation. Now each channel actually, so over here while talking about channel, I'm trying to cover your second question as well, and in the end I will put all these two things together, and it will be basically teams and channels. What is the difference between the two? It would be clear to you. So over here now, these two things, general and white paper, are the channels which are part of this team. So team is a group of people which are part of a team, which are there to discuss things to get the work completed. And as part of this team, they have got several channels where they converse regarding a task or a subtask or something that they think needs to be done to complete, to actually finish the work that that team has been established for. So for example, when I go back to white paper, on the top you can see these three tabs: conversations, files, and notes. So conversations are basically to initiate the conversation, to discuss about certain things. So for example, over here it's like, let's start a white paper, and the question has been asked off. So the person, I might end up writing, okay, the let's start off, it would be a research paper about cloud computing ideas, about cloud computing technology. So this is the conversation which is happening over here. Now, for example, Anshita finds some PDF online, and she feels that team should be having a look at this paper before any further discussion starts. So she might simply go and create a folder or a Word document, or simply upload the file by clicking on this upload button and sharing that file right over here. So since that whole discussion, because whenever we are having such discussions or sharing files over the period of time while we are in that particular conversation, we might be remembering the context of those files, but over the period of time it's difficult to keep the context in mind or to track the importance or value of those files. So that channels main purpose is to resolve this chaos even in the most structured or the professional conversations. So, for example, when we talk about Skype sharing or OneDrive for business sharing or the simple email sharing, all these are great channels for sharing files, but it's difficult to keep that kind of tag or to keep the context alive, like why these files were shared in place. However, if we are sharing these files through a channel in a particular team, it's easy to remember that these files were shared in this context, and this is where we were using it. This is why these files were needed. Over the period, if some channels becomes not so important, for example, this white paper has been completed, written, published, and the work has been finished. So we can simply go and delete this channel, and it is no longer actually needed to keep this channel or the related files anywhere in our inboxes or other things, because the files which we have searched from internet, we can in any case access them again later on. Similarly, over here, the third tab, which is notes, is basically a very simple thing, but it's more like, what actually happens is that for every conversation, every channel, uh, rather for every team, of one note or a note OneNote's notebook is created, and for every channel that you create, the corresponding section is created in the OneNote. So that is the whole point of this OneNote. And